Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And guys, if you don't know me, then yes, I am Palak and I do post fashion, makeup and everything on this channel. So you should subscribe that button right now that is underneath this video, and also press that bell icon so that you will be notified whenever my new video will be up. So let's just start the video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can get free samples, not a free but at 199 rupees, and you can get that those in samples of the brands you want to try out. So here I have this Smitten. The app name is Smitten. You can download the app from the link I have given in the description box. So please don't forget to check it out. And guys, let's start the haul. So in this box I have just few products, a few samples I must say. So let's start with the first sample. So first is a product from the Mamaearth. It's their onion hair mask. So Nidhi Katiyar praised this mask very few times. So I literally want to try this out, but I don't love Mamaearth products so far. So I tried this as a mini sample. So let's see if it is worth it or not. But yeah, it's the first product. Now the second product is also from the Mamaearth brand, the mini sample. It's their vitamin C sleeping mask. So I'm literally a fan of sleeping mask because I love using sleeping mask, and I want to try this one also, but it's so expensive in the it's big size and it's not available anywhere. It's only available on the Smitten app. So don't forget to download the app and use my referral code which is giving in the description box, and also I'll be mentioning the referral code right here. So check it out. So guys, this is their vitamin C sleeping mask, and let me see what it's look like. So because it's also my first impression video, because I just got received this parcel and I want to check it out in front of you guys. So it's like this from inside, and now I'll open this, and yeah, the consistency, it's very transparent. It's like way too transparent, just like the the big size of it, and yeah, it's way too good. It's just perfect, and it's just the same, I thought so. So it's the second product of them, of the Mamaearth. Now let's move towards another product we have. So I also got it for myself, the Biotique hand sanitizer aloe vera, because guys, if we are getting the few mini samples in at just 199 rupees, so why not this hand sanitizer? Because hand sanitizer is a must in these days, and I love to carry this on regular basis. So it's like their hand sanitizer aloe vera. Okay, let me try this for you guys. I really want to try. Oh, it's way too very soft fragrance, not a harsh fragrance. So it's good, it's really good. The next product is I have plum, olive and macadamia, if I'm pronouncing it right, mega moisturizing hair mask. So I literally want to try this one also, but at the same, but when we are talking about the big sizes, it's above very expensive side. It's affordable drugstore type, but it's still a very expensive deal. Okay, so this is like this. So I'm gonna try them out very soon, so you must watch me. So guys, this is the Wishcare rice hair oil, and fermented rice hair oil. So guys, we have seen the coconut oils, the various other oils, but I haven't seen the rice hair oil, and I literally want to try this, how it will gonna work on the hair. So I'm gonna try it today itself, or maybe in a few days. So if you wanna know that how these products perform, so you should follow me on my Instagram. My handle is @PalakAgrawal57. I'll be showing right here. It will be showing right here. Okay, so it's the last product I have, but there was a deal going on, and there was, you know, some deals that we can, you know, get another kit or something like that, free gift along with these products at 199. So there was a Mamaearth trial kit, but I don't want that because I already had tried those products out in, you know, previous time. So guys, I added this pouch on my cart, and it's my first impression also. I'm checking it out at the very first time in front of you guys. So it's a simple pouch. So see, it's not a very good quality pouch, but what we can expect at 199 rupees along with those products. So if you order through a cash on delivery, you have to pay 50 rupees extra. Okay, so I have ordered it on COD, so I have paid 50 rupees extra. So this is how the pouch look like, and like, it is good enough. It can use for holding some makeup. The ziplock is not so good, I must say, but still it will, you know, be fun of using them. So guys, that's it. That is my all video. Guys, the pouch I have given to my mom because I specially added that pouch to my cart for my mom because she loves simple things. She loves to keep, you know, her money into the simple purse, simple pouch. So I gave it to her. So guys, when will you download the app? From the link in the description box below. Don't forget to use my referral code in it, and also you will see there's some points you have getting when you will download the app. So from those points you can add several samples to your cart, and then you can place the order. That's it. So I hope you found it helpful. So if you are looking something like this, so please give it a thumbs up, and please guys make sure to subscribe that channel. So guys, it will make me motivate even day by day. So guys, please make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. So guys, that's it. I hope I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye, and I love you all.